Hi, in this tutorial we would learn how to set up walls in our AutoCAD MEP or AutoCAD architecture software. Now that you have your XREF inserted in your drawing, you can see the importance of having an XREF. You don't have to start brainstorming whether I'm going to have a wall 3 meters wide or a space 3 meters wide, or is the toilet going to be 2 meters wide or long. You already have the plan rigidly set up, so it's easy for you to just trace out where the walls should be. So to begin, I will change my view to an isometric view. So I'll click here so that I will have an isometric view. You can go for southwest, southeast, northwest, or northeast, anyone that suits you. So make sure you are in the home tab and click on walls. Now if you zoom in this a little bit, you should have your browse. This enables you to switch or choose different styles. So I'll click on it again. It was a little bit interrupted. So you have different types of walls based on different characteristics. Some have insulation, some have a particular thickness for its brick, different kinds of walls. But for this tutorial I'll keep it simple and make use of a standard wall. So just leave it at its default value. Now the uniqueness of going for the standard wall is that you can set up your width, and of course you can always set up your height of your building or your space. So I'm going for 3 meters height and 230 mm. That's approximately a 9-inch block, you understand. So I'll just come straight to my drawing setup and click anywhere here. So if this was not well positioned, I'll just hold down shift till when I have the right justification that suits me. But it was initially set up, so I'll return it back to its initial value, then take this straight to the end. Now once you are here, you might see it's difficult, you are not aligned, so you make use of your shift again to align yourself. Press shift twice, then okay, so it's easy for me. Let me try clicking here, okay, and turning right. Yeah, then just trace out the routes. That's why we took out the paint to have this plan already drawn. So you can see it's easy, just trace it out. Once done, you click enter. So looking at my drawing, I can change my visual style to conceptual, hidden, realistic, anyone that suits me. But in all of them I can see that this wall does not insert with the rear wall. So I'll go back to my 2D wireframe view, click on this wall, just drag it a little bit to go inside this. You can see now it's connected with it, and I will hit escape. Now you can check it out again one more time. Let's go for the conceptual. It looks straightforward or realistic. Yeah, so go back to your 2D wireframe. Now we can see that there are stairs here, so I will just count the riser points. We have 1, 2, 3, and I'm very sure each riser should be nothing less than, or maybe around 150 mm. So I would create a slab, click on this drop down and go for a slab. Now you can check the features of your slab over here. I would want a slab that is about 450 mm thick. That's because you have 3 risers. That's 153 times. So I'll just go drag along the edges. Just be careful. Now go here, then you can see you have the option of making use of the close command. So I have my hit enter again to exit that particular command. I have my like an elevation above the grade level. Now let's go back and check out some other views, like to see it practically. Okay, so we're on track. Now it remains we need to set up the internal walls. So I'll go back to my 2D wireframe. Just to confirm, I'll use DI enter. Okay, mistakenly that was D, so I'll go again, DI enter. So just confirm the width of my wall. So I have 230, so I'm on track. Go back, click on walls, then pick an insertion point. Okay, I'm on track. Now because there is a door there, this would go in straight inside here. I'll click enter. I know it's not yet joined. I would join it later on. Click on walls again, go to the internal wall here, drag it, this stops here. Then let's be on the lookout. Is there any other wall again? None. Okay, just a cross wall. So I'll go from here and take it across. It's my enter key. Now I can now intercept the walls. So just be careful, drag this a little bit and we have it joined. Click on this again, drag it a little bit, we have it joined. Then be on the lookout. I think we have this too. The easier route, I could have started from inside the walls, but I just want to make it a little bit detailed. Okay, this also goes inside. So I think we have your walls fully drawn. So let's change our visual styles. Okay, it looks good and it looks quickly done. I think that's what makes it unique. You can set up as many walls, no matter how complex your building is. You can set up as many walls within minutes. Just make sure you have your plan fully set up. Just draw along the plan and you have your walls fully erected. So I return to the 2D wireframe and thanks.